In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter dates in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Google Sheets let you filter a list by date, making it easy to show today's entries, upcoming dates, a specific date range, or even dates before or after a certain time. Now, what I'm first going to do is put in some example data. So I'm going to paste this in here. So I've got task, due date, and status. Now I'm just going to format this. I'm going to right click it. Now I'm going to resize columns. I want this to be, say, 120 width. Okay, that looks a bit better. And then also I want to go ahead and center align. Now what we can do is filter by specific date. Now select your data, so highlight your table including the headers. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this data. Then from here, click on data, and then we need to create a filter. So click on create a filter. Now you will see filter icons appear in your header row. Now we can open the date filter, so click the filter icon next to due date, and then we can sort. Now go ahead and choose filter by condition, and then choose the condition. So you can choose options such as is before, is after, is on or before, is on or after, or is between. So for example, choose is. So I'm going to go ahead and click on is equal to, and then put in the formula or the date. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in and click on OK. And now that's going to filter all the tasks that are due on that date.